Hello everyone, welcome back to this series of tutorials on Python programming. I am Deepak and here I am going to discuss about random number generation. So in previous tutorials we discussed about Python functions and then command line arguments. Now in the next tutorial I am going to discuss about some guess the number game, and for that we need a random number generation. That's why I am discussing it here. So let's start. First you need to import a module random like this. There are multiple options of importing a module, but that we will learn later. As of now you should understand that we import a module in this way. So we have imported this random. If you call random function of this random module, it will generate a number, floating point number in the range starting from 0, 0.0 and till 1. So here this thing, when it is starting from 0, 0 is included in this, but when we are talking about 1, 1 is not included in this number. So this function is never going to generate 1, right? So let's see the output. Here we have got 0.50 and so on. You can use this function and generate numbers in any range, but for that task also we have some built-in functions like randrange, and I can use it here, random dot rand range. This is similar to range function. If you pass 10 here, this number is going to generate random numbers less than 10, and this is for integers only, so it will not give us a floating point number. So here is 4. If you run it again, it's going to give us some another number, and it's 9. So this number will never give us 10. Clear? You can also use this function to generate random numbers between a range. So I can pass 1 here, then 10, and you can also give some step, maybe 2. So see what's the output. It has given us 1. So this was the starting number. Now it has given us 7. So it's going to give us only odd numbers. Clear? You can remove this range from here, then it is going to give us even number also. So here we got 6. Now we have odd numbers. Clear? Then there is another function, random dot rand int, and you can pass here two values in any range. Suppose I am passing 20 and 30. So it will provide us a number n, where n is greater than or equal to a and less than or equal to b, where these two 20 and 30 are a and b here. Clear? So let's start it, and we have got 30 in the first chance. I will copy this again and see, again 30, now 24, now 21, and so on. Clear? So actually rand int is similar to rand range, but this is a bit different. And how it is different? So if we are writing rand int a and b, it is similar to rand range, and it's equal to rand range a b plus 1, because in rand range we need to stop 1 before this. So we are passing b plus 1, so this function will stop at b, and this function will include b. Clear? So that's why these two statements are equivalent. There are some other functions like random dot choice, and this random dot choice is used for picking a number from any sequence. So if you have a list 1 2 3 4, so it will pick any of these numbers randomly. Now we have got 2. If we run this statement again, we can get any other number. Right now we got 2 only, now we got 1. Clear? So this choice function is used to pick any random number of a sequence. You can pass a tuple here as well. So let's remove this sign and make it tuple. So make it 40 or 30, and then maybe 60 or 50, and so on. And here we have got 2. Run this again and see the output, and now we got 50. Clear? So that's how this random module or random function works. Clear? So now there is a homework for you. You have to use this random function which is generating numbers between 0 to 1. So I will write it for you. Create a program using random.random which generates numbers in a range A to B, right? So you can create a program like this: def generate randoms, then take input as AB, and here you have to return some number n. Clear? So I hope this is clear to you. Try to solve this question, and if you have any doubt or query regarding this, try to ask in the comments. Okay, so see you in the next video with some new concept or a new question. Till then, thank you so much.